Good day, everyone. Ali is here from Safi Financial Network. Today is May 17, 2023. Here is S&P 500 daily chart. So market had a nice move today to the upside due to good news for debt ceiling. Probably there is going to be a solution. So this bullish consolidation, now it's about to break out to the upside. And see, this is a wide range bar consolidating nicely. So the good news is we just forming another bullish momentum, and we need to close out above May 1st. So this is going to be a pivotal point. 4,200 for the market is going to be a very, very interesting level for S&P 500. If we break out above this, which means we are getting above this supply area and we are heading to a nice bullish momentum to the upside. Still, I'm looking for kind of like more volatility down the road. But as I said, any pullback to low 4,000, that's going to be a buying opportunity. And we'll see if market still gives us that opportunity or it just a take off to the roof from this area. But all in all, we are long position. We are long for the next 3 to 5 months. We are expecting more bullish momentum coming to the place. But that's not going to be the end of the story. So we will see how it goes. But this price action wise is pretty bullish. And right now we are just getting back above. RSI is getting back above this area. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Momentum wise, we are still in this range. So it doesn't give us a good chance. But IMI is getting close to this supportive area, which we nailed a couple of times. So that's very, very nice leading indicator as well. So MACD is sloping upward as well. So we'll see how it goes. Indicator wise, it doesn't tell us anything since I should say April. Market is in a choppy formation. It's in consolidation for 2 months. And the result of this consolidation can be a very, very repeat price action to the upside. June, July could be kind of like especially July, August could be a topping formation, which is going to be a momentum, bullish momentum to the upside through the months of June, July, and August. So I'm just expecting market 4,400, 43 to 4,400 this year, especially July, August timeframe. That's going to be a market top. So we'll see how it goes. But right now, we will give market benefit of doubt. Moving on to Nasdaq, which was kind of like the leading sector the whole entire this rally. So Dow Jones consolidation to the downside, we will get back to that one. S&P's sideways consolidation, but Nasdaq is just breaking out to the upside. So today Nasdaq closed at about 13,588, which is pretty close to 13,600. And right now, Nasdaq is in rocket star. So Nasdaq is in bullish momentum. We are getting close to this August top, and I believe it's kind of like overstretched. So the next supply area is going to be here, 13,000, let's say 14,000 to 14,400. That's going to be a topping formation. I expect this one in July, but seems like market has like a nice momentum to the upside. So this can get earlier, possibly in June timeframe, and we'll see how it goes. But if it gets there, that's going to be interesting scenario for a pullback, and pullback could be opportunity for long position again to getting back to 15,000 area. So we'll see how it goes. Moving on to US 30, which is Dow Jones. Dow Jones, I believe this one is getting better and better. So Dow Jones coming down. It doesn't give us a perfect buying opportunity, but it just go to our level. The best scenario would be 32,500. So market just the Dow Jones coming back up nicely, reversal to the upside. So still that can be just a bounce within this downtrend, short-term downtrend. So if it gets here, I should say that's going to be a pretty interesting buying opportunity. This is a nice bullish setup, I believe. If you want to slice it and dice it, I think this is a very, very nice setup. If Dow Jones, by any chance, before getting us a buying opportunity here, close above May 1st, so that's going to be a repeat price action. I should say Dow Jones is getting to new all-time high, possibly this July, August time frame. So all in all, when you zoom back, you will see this is a pretty nice, let me just close this fib. So this is a pretty nice bullish price action, and right now just looking for another dip possibly to 32,400 to 32,800. That's going to be a nice scenario for a choppy, sloppy, and possibly repeat after this breakout to the upside to 38,000, 39,000. So we'll see how it goes. Moving on to some individual names. Yield is backing up. So yield 1.78% to the upside. And it was kind of like a good news for the market, banking sector in overall. So yield is positive. And this can go higher still to 4.35%. Right now, everyone is just looking at the banking or debt ceiling issues. And when we resolve that one, everyone is getting worried about inflation again. Just because yield is getting up, this means inflation is gonna stay there for a while. That's gonna be an inverse correlation with TLT. So TLT is coming down yesterday. And forgive me about yesterday. I couldn't post a video, so that's why I just come up earlier this today. Yesterday we just nailed to this box, so just bounced back up. Today we just got back lower, so still could be another dip to this area for bond yield. If sorry, for TLT, for treasuries, if bond yield is going up, treasuries can go down. It's going to put more pressure on the treasury, so we'll see how it goes. Especially gold as well. Gold is just breaking down to the downside, so not right now it's getting close. 1982. This is a new low, I believe. So gold is coming back down to this demand area. If it closes below this, which I believe it's going to happen. So this can give us a buying opportunity here or even lower. So I'm not getting into rush for gold. Gold can get new all-time high, but this needs to have a pullback, possibly severe pullback. So yield was up, and that was a positive for crude as well. So crude is kind of like a consolidating, holding up pretty well here. Seems like today was a breakout candle. If you just zoom out and you see this is kind of like the short-term trend line, and today was a breakout to the upside. So if we get close above 74 to 76, that can go all the way up to $80. So we will see how it goes. VIX coming down sharply today. So VIX forming kind of very, very choppy, sloppy. This is kind of like the supporting area, but I believe when market is getting into more bullish momentum, VIX is getting heading to the lower low as well here. So we'll see how it goes. Dixie is just a positive day today for Dixie, along with bond yield. So Dixie is getting up, getting back to this kind of like a scene of crime here. So this is a breakout scene of crime here. 103, that's going to be 103.5, that's going to be kind of like a resistance scene of crime here. This is a demand area, ended up to this rally, but this breaking through to the downside, this is the level that I'm looking for selling opportunity right now. Just that Dixie has had a day up, but rejection is coming off the top as well. Moving on to some technology sectors. Apple, just a bullish consolidation. As long as it consolidates here, this can go higher, especially Apple above August top. That could be kind of like a buying opportunity. Again, Apple can hit new all-time high as well. Amazon, pretty nice bullish price action, just getting above this. Right now it's in this area. Amazon 130 to 137, possibly 150 can hit this year. Meta, amazing candle today, so Meta is going up. I just cut a bit for Meta. Right now it's 6% of my portfolio. Previously it was 7.5%. So I cut just a small, took a gain. Very, very nice rally. If you remember on my video here, Meta was amazing buying opportunity, and I think I was right. Microsoft at $2.26 up. So Microsoft doesn't give us any deep corrective move to the downside. It doesn't give us any opportunity for buy, but we will take it for now. Google, fantastic. I told you, as long as this consolidation breakout to the upside, it's going to be very, very repeat. And right now, you see, this is a gigantic consolidation to the downside, but this consolidation after hit couple of times, this is repeat to the upside. Google can go to 130 to this coming supply area, so we will see how it goes. Netflix, $6.21 to the upside, pretty nice action. Tesla, $7, 4% to the upside. I believe if Tesla is getting above this level, which is 194.200, that's going to be another repeat price action to 250, 260. So we will see how it goes. But Tesla above this 200 level, that's going to be another 50 to the upside. SMH semiconductors, this reverse, this kind of head and shoulder, if it breaks to the upside, that would be fantastic breakout failure pattern to the upside. This is the level that I'm looking for. SOX, the same pattern here. TSM, marvelous move, 5.82% to the upside, $5 up, $90 right now, just getting back to this short-term supply area. AMD, another 2.24% up. Vip out AMD here. Fantastic, guys. Just clap for yourself, for ourselves. We are just getting very, very nicely. That was a kind of like a capitulation to the downside, and that was kind of like signal that I'm getting with AMD. Nvidia 3% up today, so this is along with the other stocks as well. Texas Instrument, this one is getting repeat because this ending diagonal just today confirmed that, closing above this wedge pattern. This can go to the upside. Lam Research 2.78% to the upside, fantastic price action. Lam Research, if you zoom out, this is getting to this level and possibly new all-time high or double top. So we'll see how it goes. Moving on to some financial names. XLF, which is a financial ETF spider. This one bounced back up nicely just because debt ceiling put pressure on this. But right now, good news was kind of like a good for the market. KBE, which is a large cap bank ETF, 6% to the upside. KR is 7% to the upside. Fantastic. JP Morgan, 3% to the upside. Pretty good move all in all for financials. Goldman Sachs, 3% to the upside. Wells Fargo, fantastic, 5.39% to the upside. This is kind of like forming W pattern. Citigroup as well. So this one forming the base, and this base needs to close above 31. Then it can go all the way up to 35. Right now, we'll see how it goes. Some pressure is coming for GoldMiners. We are getting into our first buying opportunity. I'm still patient. Possibly we will get here. So again, when I see gold can go more downside, I'm just be patient on this as well. So just be patient on that. GDXJ, this one is coming down as well. AEM, 76 cents to the downside. Newmont, 37 cents to the downside. So AEM is getting back to this. Possibly we will see a bounce tomorrow or on Friday. Franco-Nevada, nice price action, to be honest. Rejecting this demand area pretty nicely. Gold Barrick, 1.76% to the downside, 33 cents down. So we will see how it goes. This can go here. Moving on to some names in energy. So here is the XOP, which is oil and gas exploration ETF. Along with crude, they just bounced up today, and it's been still in downtrend, so they just protect at this level. We'll see if it's going to hold up this level or not. If it goes above this pivotal point, which is going to be a breakout for the bullish momentum. If it doesn't, just consolidate here. Probably it's going to go lower to the lower level, possibly to here, to this area, which is going to be absolutely dependable to the crude as well. So OIH, which is oil and gas services, 2.76% up, still holding up this demand area, I should say, because it just clean out this pivot, but it goes to this demand area. So we'll see how it goes. Exxon, 2.28% up. Chevron, $2.20 up. The same pattern. Oxy, just a 78 cents up. So Oxy is better, but we need to have like a clear breakout above 61. Rig, just 1.78% up. So we'll see how it goes. This is kind of like a formation, bullish formation, but if it goes below this, that's going to be ugly. It can go all the way down to here. Okay, I think I covered everything. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the chart tomorrow. Bye-bye.